Hello friends, Shivansh this side, and today I'm going to prove reciprocal of all gamma n is equal to E. So let me first of all change my outfit, since for previous two videos I am wearing this only. TikTok style. So first of all, let me show you what is my mission to prove that n is basically 0 here, that 1 upon, actually I put this cloth so that there is no scratch behind on my walls. Hey, since I'm not a great YouTuber right now, so I don't have such a great setup, I know there is some problem up here. E. So before starting, let me tell you that gamma at 0 is said to be infinity. It tends to infinity. Also 1 upon gamma at 0 is 0. So here I can simply replace it by 1. So can I start? Before starting, you must know a thing named Taylor series and Maclaurin series. Okay, so what does Taylor series says me that, let me write it properly. Taylor series says me that f of x is infinite sum of n is 0 fn a upon n factorial into x minus a raised to the power n. This is Taylor series expansion. So Taylor series expansion is used to represent a function as infinite sum. So using it, I have made many infinite sum, and I am showing you here one of them. So a corollary of this is Maclaurin series, which says f of x is infinite sum of n is 0 fn 0 n factorial x raised to the power n. Okay, it's because in here you can choose a, like during your proof you can state something to a. Okay, so okay, this is known as Maclaurin series. So before starting, you must know what is gamma at n. I think you must be knowing, but still let me tell. Gamma at n means n minus 1 factorial, and n factorial means 1 into 2 till n. Okay, as simple as it seems to be. So here I would first of all do Taylor series expansion or Maclaurin series expansion of this. Okay, simple up till here. I dropped my mic. I hope you would have heard till here. So e to the power x is infinite. Here it means nth derivative, and every derivative of e to the power x is, your time to say is x only. Really great. Impressed. Okay, I know it was me who said that. No problem. We are virtually present in front of each other. That means e to the power a x minus a to the power n upon n factorial. Now I have full liberty over a. I can choose a as any number, anything. And since I have written Maclaurin series, since I have told you Maclaurin series, so let me use Maclaurin series only here. So here I would consider a as 0. That means e to the power x is infinite sum, n is 0, n is 0, e to the power 0, x to the power n upon n factorial. E to the power x is infinite sum of n is 0, x to the power n upon n factorial. Simple thing. You must have heard about it at many places. So let us rub everything else instead of it. So now what I want to show you would be in center. Okay, this is it. I need to prove this, and the hammer, the tool which I would be used to prove it is this. That means exponential function is infinite sum of x to the power n upon n factorial. So let's continue. Can I differentiate them with respect to x on both sides? Yes, why not? So you know d dx of ex is ex. This is the function who reads the book of differentiation and his life never changes. You say anything to him, he is a slippy pot, like chikna ghada, what we say in Hindi is. And you know the linearity property of derivatives of differentiation and integration. I would say that all good till here. Simple, constant, nowhere interrupting in our derivation, in our differentiation. Just simply the next thing I would do is this, is n x to the power n minus 1 upon n factorial. Okay, I cancel them out. Then I get is that x raised to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. And I told you that gamma at n is n minus 1 factorial. So this is gamma at n. Now you would have predicted what I would do next. Oh, sorry. Simply I put 1 here. That means E is infinite sum of n is 0. Okay, let n be 1. I told you that gamma factorial tends to be infinity. Is 1. That means 1 upon gamma at n. So again, let me start that crying. Please like my channel. Oh, I always make this mistake. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. And please share this infinite sum to as many people as you know. And yeah, to people who know this. Okay, let me go.